Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to lock your Netflix profile. If you want to restrict access to a specific profile on the streaming platform of Netflix, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up a web browser and go to your Netflix account homepage. Go to the top right and click on your profile image. Now, go to Account from the pop-up, scroll all the way down under Profile and Parental Controls and click on your profile. Once you do that, from the expanded menu, you'll be able to see an option that says Profile Lock. Click on the change link right next to it and you'll now need to type in your password for your account. This is to ensure that it is you who's trying to make a change on your Netflix profile. After you're done, click Continue and you'll be able to see a text box appearing where it says Require a PIN to access your profile. Check the box and type in the PIN that you'd like to use for your profile. Next time if you're trying to go to your Netflix profile, you'll need to type in the PIN to go into your profile. After you set your PIN, click on Save and your profile has been secured with a lock. Now let me show you how it works. As soon as you open up Netflix, you'll need to go ahead and choose your profile. Simply select your profile and once you enable the profile lock on your account, you'll need to type in the PIN in order to log into your Netflix profile. That is how you'll be able to lock your profile on Netflix. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.